So today we are cooking chicken. This is little hard chicken. But I've already cleaned it. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my shearing scissors and cut it like this. You finish your letter? Okay. This is our pot. I think this is quail, so I just have like 2 pieces left. So I'm just gonna boil it all together so it's enough for the family. They're all from the bad family. I have 2 of this regular small chicken. I don't know what they are called, but I will tell you. I will write it down here on the description box. Did you finish writing your letter to Santa? What did you tell Santa you want for Christmas?
A Spider-Man photo.
Spider-Man photo?
Yes.
Okay, so Santa will hear your letter. Will receive your letter, not here. Receive your letter.
And to the mail box.
You have to go post it.
I have to post it by myself. And
so this is hard chicken, like this is organic from the farm. That's where we get it. I think the last time I went to get this chicken, I thought they were the big ones, but to my surprise, it was these tiny, tiny ones. So when you want to make for the family, you have to make about 4 or 5 so that it's enough for everyone to eat. So that's all I do. Then this is gonna be boiled. It's gonna be boiled, and I will show you how we will do it. I'm gonna use my seasoned salt. Sprinkle it like that. We will use chicken masala. And what are these? Chicken cubes. We will sprinkle over it like that. I think you can see how it looks. It's not a complicated recipe. So simple because everything is being boiled. And then I had crushed some garlic and ginger together to get some in. And then we do onions, but I'm not using the whole onion. This onion is gonna make some boba, some manago. So that one is good to go. I just need a cooking stick to mix it all up together. I'm gonna use my hands. So you can see how it looks. Nothing much. I'm not gonna use any oil. Just water and we're good to go. Once that is done, bring our water. Yeah, that's so easy for me to just pull the faucet and voila. Yeah, this is gonna take about an hour and a half or 2 because I wanna cook it on slow boil. And then we are going to use the broth to cook or drink soup. That was dufu. I think that's good. So this is it. Turn on the stove and boom, it's done. Chicken is ready.
chicken is ready.
I'm gonna put it in the air fryer.
Mom, you doing the video again?
Yes, I am finishing up my video. And the chicken is going in the air fryer.